Millennial love. Yeah, hii ni kwa millennial queens, watoto flani 80s 90s kids, watoto flani just a decent top and chance, watoto flani bora ulete talk za rings. Yani ni kama syndrome, get addicted to them. Wanavokuwa smart flani, you keep speaking to them. Wataki sana mamba if you gotta stick to when. Na kama mchizo story nyingi or some shit to learn. Zile 4 letters hakikisha zinasomeka. Kumbuka hiki ni kizazi cha love letters. Millennial love, beauty queen, soul makers, homemakers. Much respect for you, go getters. I mean, it's so easy with you. Straight eyes, just truth, living free and true. Wako deep sana, trust me, I'm a victim too. I used to say, fuck this age group too. Kumbe simple too, maybe sababu ni been there, done that. Au sababu wengi walishashuka wakapanda. Au sababu wako kwenye stage ya kujichanga. Mana all I want to receive is millennial love.
In all thinking, how about you start doing something with me? Because
millennial love,
this will help you, the creative block that you have. You know, it's been a while you created something.
millennial love,
Maybe this is a time for you to get some new inspiration or something.
millennial
I
love.
just want you to sing again. It's been a while.
Yeah, millennial queen, melanin flani yani. Afu katoka mamtoni, fashions, tattoo, street body piercing, it's crazy homie. Hata wakiwa mamtoni hasau mafuzo wa kikoni. Wapo walokoni, wapo naona usoni ni clean souls. Wapo wale utegemea visomi. Diasporas wapo japo geukaga vichomi. Huku kwa bongo wenzangu penzi unogeshwa jikoni. Na most millennials ni 420 friendly, no pretending. Ukitoka uspending, no wasting time. Akupendi, awezi amini utamjenga. Kakicheki ujijengi, cheki. Isn't that source of growth? Mapenzi matamu yale yenye sort of both. Watoto wa 90 makini and so forth. So believe me when I say all I want is millennial love.
I don't want you to stress over some stuff. Let me take care of the kid
Millennial
now.
love.
You told me the other day you like show. Nadhani ungeendelea
Millennial
kufuatilia.
love.
Nina imani kuna kitu kizuri kitatokea.
Millennial love.